1, 2, testing. 1, 2, testing.
What was that?
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3.
Morning guys. Did a vlog yesterday because we had nothing to do yesterday and I slept all day yesterday. We had a bit of drama the night before. One of our group ended up in hospital, but she's fine. She's absolutely fine. But this morning or today we're going to I'm probably pronouncing it completely wrong, but Thong National Park. So we're on the boat. Finally, got off the bus. Yeah, everyone's sort of chilling out at the moment. I'm having some trouble with the microphone. I don't know what's going on. I've got two and it keeps crackling. I don't know what's going on. But no, yeah, so it should be good. Should be a really good day today. Views are stunning again. I keep saying that, pretty much everywhere I go it's stunning, but it really is.
Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night.
No, it's good, it's good. Now I'm hoping a lot that this microphone is working. I've got a second one, but I think that one's the one that's dodgy, I'm not too sure. So, fingers crossed.
It's just me and you.
I've come to the top of the boat to get some awesome views. These lot have had a bit of a chilling session. Did you have to sleep?
Yeah.
Good. But look at these views, look. I am loving this trip. The whole trip. The views are stunning up here. I absolutely love it. Another day, a beautiful day for a kayak. Beautiful day for some snorkeling. Yes, so I've got my GoPro, my phone's waterproof, I'm well happy. It's all good. Happy days. We're getting there, we've got our waterproof bag. I've got no shirt on again today. I burned quite a bit the other day on the beach. Here's off! Hi guys, so we made it. Our boat is over there. We just arrived on a tiny little boat and walked across the Rickety Bridge. Oh, it's steep again. We've got another steep climb. I swear to God that I'm doing more exercise on this whole trip than I ever do at home.
This is my exercise for the rest of the year.
Don't complain, mate.
No.
You got to buy more shorts.
Do you know what? I really do need to start buying more shorts. Because these ones are now getting loose. We're going right up there. You made it to the top. I don't know if you can see me. Oh, look at this place. Look how steep this is. This is ridiculous. Look. Look at that. Look at that. I'm breaking it because if I drop my phone, then I lose everything. right now you're looking at a very annoyed man who's got two really good microphones and they're not working. Half the vlogs today there's no sound and I'm royally fucked off. So for now I'm not going to use the microphones anymore. I have to apologise about the sound quality from now on. I've got a month left of this trip and I'm not going to keep panicking whether the sound's working on the microphones or not. They're Rode microphones as well, so they're not cheap. They're not cheap microphones. I don't know what's going on with them. There's two, they're both not working. Chances are that I'm not going to use them again. I'm not, no, in fact I'm not going to use them again. But we're now heading back to Koh Samui. So we've come to Fisherman's Village to get some food, because we're hungry. So we come to Fisherman's Village. I'm not using my microphone because I don't trust them, they're just not working. It's every time. So that's fine. I'm having to redo the vlogs over and over and over again. So yeah, so we're in Fisherman's Village. This is the place to go on Koh Samui. Look. And I love it because it's empty. Okay guys, I'm ending the vlog here tonight. We've done the fire show. We're only going to be here for an hour or so and then I'm going home.
We say an hour, it could last a lot longer.
Oh yeah, we managed to sneak into